Hi friends, welcome again to Lifestyle and Creations. I hope that you all were eagerly waiting for the Toyota's new Fortuner. So here I am with the new video of the Toyota's most awaited model, Toyota Legender. Come, let's check out what has Toyota offered in the interiors. Toyota has provided a lot of changes in this car, like they have given some fine illumination strip on all the doors as well as on the instrument panel over here. Toyota has changed the music system also. Now it comes with an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto music system. After coming from the music system, now Toyota's iconic dashboard, where you can see quite a number of soft lids like the AC button, the circulation button, the front defoggers, the airflow button, the rear defoggers and the AC off. You also get auto climate control AC. This is an automatic transmission vehicle. You can see the parking mode, the reverse mode, the neutral, the drive mode and the sequential shift mode, because this car comes with the paddle shifters. Toyota has introduced the wireless charging system, which is placed right before the gear knob system. You can put your phone conveniently and charge while on the move. Leather finishings on the glove box, which also has the red stitch over here, and also this is the cool glove box. You actually have two glove boxes in this car. You get to enjoy the steering wheel because it has got nicely wooden finish touch to it, and also the leather wrap with the red stitching. Get quite a number of buttons on the steering wheel. For your optimum driving experience, you get a telescopic and a tilt steering, so you can set to your convenience while you're driving on the highways. Toyota has given an electrochromatic mirror. You don't get those glares while you're driving at the night time on this mirror. It's absolutely convenient while driving in the night time. You get this vanity mirrors with illumination, quite a number of switches on the top. These are the normal illumination light switches inside the car. Coming on to the gear panel once again. Previously, the Fortuner used to come with two modes, that's an eco mode and the power mode. Now they have introduced a new mode also, which is the sports mode. So there's eco mode, there's normal mode and there's sports mode. Now let's check out the second row of the car. Now coming to the second row of the car, this is very comfortable. You get this reclining seats, and while your highway drives or your long drives, if you even want to enjoy the second row, you can do that because it's very comfortable. And also you get these armrests with the integrated cup holders like this, so your comfort is at the utmost in the second row also. Moving on to the most important part of the car, which is the heart. Let's come and check out the heart of the car, where Toyota has changed something or not. Here comes in play the Toyota's QDR. Quite heavy. So Toyota has not compromised on their build quality at all. So Toyota has not done any changes in the heart of the car. It comes with the same 2.8 litre 1GD FTV engine, and also since the BS6 norms are there, you also have got the placement of the AdBlue over here. You see a lot of changes has been made in front bumper. The looks, the piano black finish on the bumper in the front is looking very nice and absolutely complements the front part of the vehicle. You can see two things added. The front parking sensors on either sides of the bumper, which has been a new addition to Toyota's Fortuner. The LED fog lamps has been a newly placed one. So over here, the previous model used to have the fog lamps right at the bottom. Now it has been slightly put on the higher side, and instead in the bottom you have the DRLs, which was previously placed right over here with the headlamps. You see the repeat headlamps over here, which looks very nice, and also you have the bi-beam LEDs, which complements the vehicle and is also very good for the visibility during the night times, during your highway drives, as well as during the city drives. Come, let's check out the side profile of the car right now. As you can see, these are chunky 18-inch alloy wheels. So these are machine cut, absolutely looking fabulous on the car, and you also have slightly newly designed to the car alloy wheels. You have the Toyota's embossments on each alloy wheels. Now, unlike the Toyota's Innova Crista, the side steps comes company fitted with the Toyota's Fortuner. You also have chrome door handles and the smart entry lever over here, where you can easily access to the car. You have these side claddings, which are matte finish in color, black right throughout the wrapping of the car. So now coming to the rear profile of the car, Toyota has done a very important change which quite a number of people were wanting in Toyota's car, which is the kick door opening system or the gesture control opening system of the back door. Toyota has given a power back door opening feature, which is the kick door one. You just need to kick it and the boot opens. After opening the back door conveniently, Toyota has also given a very convenient switch over here, which comes with the closing of the door at one touch and also has the memory function, just like this. See, it's that smooth, and it also is safe and secured because it locks twice. Toyota has predominantly changed bits and pieces in the tail lamp also. Slightly trendier looking LEDs they have given. You also have the Legender badging with chrome inserts and the black writing on it, which looks very premium on the car. You have the rear washer wiper with the defoggers as usual. It was there in the previous model also, with a nice looking trendier spoiler. You have the front parking sensors with 4 parking sensors at the back. This car is known for its off-roading capabilities. This is a beast on road, and it's absolutely appropriate for off-roaders who like to go on mountains or on highways on every weekends or twice in a month or so. So this is absolutely appropriate for off-roading. So after a brief detailing of the Toyota's new Legender, I would like to say to all my viewers, for further updates, please subscribe to this channel, Lifestyle and Creations. Keep loving, keep watching.